This video is for installing WinISIS on 32-bit Windows machines. See other video for 64-bit machines. WinISIS is a software developed by UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, for managing and retrieving information stored in textual databases. It is a Windows-based version of the CDS ISIS software, widely used in libraries, documentation centers, and similar institutions for creating and maintaining bibliographic databases. Unfortunately, UNESCO no longer actively supports or updates WinISIS. The software, built for 16-bit machines, has not seen any updates for the last 2 decades. The lack of official updates means it is no longer compatible with newer operating systems or technologies. However, institutions having legacy databases in WinISIS are forced to either undertake complex migration to modern software systems or keep maintaining the old unsupported machines and operating systems. For installing 16-bit software, WinISIS, I will be using a Windows feature called NT Virtual DOS Machine or NTVDM, introduced in 1993 for all 32-bit Windows NT family. It is available in 32-bit Windows 10 version. However, it is not included in 64-bit versions. Hence the method shown in this video will not work for 64-bit versions of Windows. Let us start with the installation. Mount WinISIS CD or ISO file. In case it is unavailable, you may download installation files from the internet or the link available in the description of this video. Explore WinISIS installation directories to reach the directory containing install.x. Double-click on Install to execute it. Windows will alert for confirmation. Confirm it. Windows will pop up an alert saying, an app on your PC needs the following Windows feature, NTVDM. Select, install this feature. Windows will search for files and install the feature. Installation of WinISIS will now proceed. Select various options for WinISIS installation. It would suggest default options, which are fine. That will complete WinISIS installation in a directory named WinISIS. Restart the system. In the C drive, you will find a WinISIS directory. It is the directory where WinISIS software has been installed. In WinISIS directory, look for WinISIS and execute it. In case you get the error, can't run 16-bit Windows program, press OK to close WinISIS. Look for ctl3d.dll file in the ctl3dl directory or your installation files. Or download the ctl3d.dll file. Copy the file with Ctrl+C. Go to the Windows directory in C drive. Explore it and look for the system subdirectory in it. Paste the ctl3d.dll file in the system subdirectory. Replace the existing file if any. With this, you should be able to run WinISIS on Windows. Run the WinISIS application file. WinISIS should open up. Look for sample database CDS and open it. Browse CDS database or try to edit some records. You will find WinISIS runs fine. You may create a shortcut to WinISIS or pin to taskbar.